Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Matplotlib from your system. So in order to uninstall Matplotlib, what you're going to do is first open your VS Code and then head on to the terminal. Then once you are inside the terminal, simply type in the following command, which is pip uninstall matplotlib. Once you have typed in this command, hit the enter button and wait for the process to start. You can see that the process had successfully started and you need to confirm it in order to proceed by typing in Y. So if you want to proceed, simply type in Y and hit the enter key again, and here you can see that it shows us the message that successfully installed Matplotlib version 3.10.1. So that means that Matplotlib has been successfully uninstalled from our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.